Hello everyone, good morning, and welcome to this video about Kerassentials. If you're dealing with a bad nail fungus and don't know what to do anymore, then you've come to the right video. Today, I really want to spread the word about what Kerassentials is, how you need to use it, and I have some important things to share with you as well. So, watch this video until the end. And by the end of this video, everything you need to know about Kerassentials will be very clear to you. I will also leave the official Kerassentials website below this video in the description box. So, if you want to buy Kerassentials and start using it, make sure to purchase it through the official website. That way, you will make a safe purchase. You know you will be buying the original Kerassentials and won't have complications with it afterward as well. The official website is right below this video. Basically, Kerassentials is an oil that is here to help you treat nail fungus and basically eliminate it forever. It's a treatment that you must apply every day until the treatment is complete, of course. This medication is effective in permanently eliminating fungus as long as the treatment is completed as prescribed, compared to other treatments that only temporarily control the problem, thus avoiding the common frustrations caused by the recurrence of the fungus. But with Kerassentials, you're going to basically get rid of the nail fungus forever because it has really strong and powerful natural ingredients. Kerassentials is safe to take and has no side effects because its formula is natural. Basically, it's used to maintain the health of your skin and nails. It helps to remove the fungus that grows on them due to its antifungal properties, and it also protects your body from bacterial infections. So, it was designed to support healthy nails and skin. When I say skin, I'm talking about the skin around your nails, right? Because sometimes people have really sensitive skin around their nails, and that's also really annoying. So Kerassentials is really powerful and effective in what it delivers. And folks, we all know how embarrassing it can be to have nail fungus. Sometimes, for women, we put nail polish over it, hoping to cover it up, but when you take it off, it's still there. So, yes, Kerassentials has proven to have worked for thousands and thousands of people, and everyone who takes it is having great results. So, remember to take the treatment very seriously with Kerassentials once you start using it and use it until the treatment is completed daily. Right? Also, the product comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, after 60 days of using Kerassentials, if you don't see any results, the slightest result, you can simply ask for a refund on the official website, and they will return every penny you spent. That's a cool way for you to have confidence in this supplement too. That's basically it, folks. If you want to know more about Kerassentials, visit the official website. The link is right down here. There you will find more information, all the ingredients contained in the product in detail. Also, read the feedback from people to see how Kerassentials was useful to them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel to help us out. We would be very grateful. I hope I have helped and I hope everyone achieves their results. A big hug to everyone.